everyone, and welcome back to MQuart's channel. Ever walk into your living room and feel like something is just not quite right? It might be comfortable, functional even, but that spark, that inviting vibe is missing. Well, today we are going to talk about a silent culprit that often gets overlooked but can have a huge impact on your living room. Your built-in cabinets and shelving units. Stick around because we are diving into why those seemingly permanent fixtures might be secretly killing your living room's mojo, and more importantly, what you can do about it, whether you are looking for a quick refresh or a complete custom transformation. So, what makes a built-in go from functional to, well, a bit vibe of a killer? Here are some common signs that it happens in your house, where the first thing is outdated style. You think dark, heavy wood from a previous era that doesn't match your current aesthetic. Second, poor design flow, where the units feel bulky, you awkwardly place or don't integrate well with the room architecture. Next, lack of purpose. The shelves are crammed with random items, creating visual clutter or a sense of disorganization. Wasted space, where the areas that could be better utilized with more thoughtful shelving or cabinet configurations. And then, mismatched elements, for example, built-ins that don't coordinate with the rest of your furniture and decor, creating a disjointed look, and also poor lighting integration. Dark corners or shadows created by bulky units that make the space feel smaller and less inviting. The good news is, you don't always need a complete overhaul to breathe new life into your built-ins. Here are some relatively easy ways to refresh what you already have. First, paint is your friend. A fresh coat, a paint in a lighter, more modern color can instantly transform dark and dead wood. Consider a crisp white, a soft neutral, or even a bold accent color. Second, hardware upgrade. Swapping out the old version in your house and putting generic knobs and pulls for stylish, contemporary options can make a surprising difference. Declutter and restyle. Be ruthless. Remove anything that doesn't serve a purpose of a look good. Arrange items on shelf with a mix of books, decorative objects, and plants, creating visual interest and breathing room. Add strategic lighting, where you install LED strip lights inside shelves to highlight your displays and add a warm glow. Consider adding a stylish lamp on a shelf. And lastly, introduce texture, where you use basket, trays, and decorative boards to conceal clutter and add visual texture to your shelf. Now, if you are looking at a more significant transformation or starting from scratch, custom built-ins offer incredible opportunities to truly elevate your living room's vibe. Here's why they can be a game changer. First, seamless integration. Custom units are designed specifically for your space, ensuring a perfect fit and flow with the room's dimension and architectural details. Next, tailored functionality. You can design storage solutions that perfectly meet your needs, whether it's housing a media center, displaying a book collection, or concealing toys. And next, enhance aesthetics. Choose material, finish, and styles that perfectly complement your overall design vision, creating a cohesive and stylish look. And maximizing every inch, where your custom design can utilize awkward corners and underutilized space, providing smart and efficient storage solutions. And last, integrate features, where think hidden wiring for electronic, built-in lighting, or even integrate seating. The possibilities are endless. To get your creative juice flowing, here are some design ideas for custom built-ins. First, symmetrical balance. Create a sense of order and elegance with balanced shelving units flanking a fireplace or focal point. And next, floating shelf. Offer a clean, modern look and can be configured in a various ways to display your favorite items. Next, integrate media centers, where you conceal electronics and create a streamlined entertainment area. Window seats with storage. Add a cozy seating and hidden storage for blankets or pillows. Floor-to-ceiling bookcase, where you create a dramatic and sophisticated library feel. And last, mix of open shelf and closed cabinet offers both display space and concealed storage for a balanced look. So, don't let those uninspired built-ins be the secret killer of your living room vibes. Whether you option for a simple refresh or a complete custom design, thoughtful attention to these often prominent features can make a world of difference in creating a space that truly feels inviting and reflects your personal style. What are your biggest built-in challenge? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. So, that's all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.